Exactly, we work together. The other one is in our camera. Just go on. Yes, go on that camera for him. That is Joseph. Joseph, come. Yes, this is Joseph. He stays in Kambe, so he's a member of this church, but also stays in this vicinity. He's the one that knows where these children are, where they live, and more about them. So we're working together. We're doing charity work in this area. So we are going together present these donations from the RAPO organization to these children.
Okay. Rita Nazi, when you hear your name, please come forward so that I can see you are Rita Nazi, grade 7.
Yes, Rita, these are our books from the RAPO organization. They're going to help you while in school.
Angel Mwaka, grade 7, yeah.
Another video.
This is the books from the RAPO organization.
Norris Songa,
That's great.
grade 5.
Unaniunga ofianza mkono mwenga.
Okay. Another one is Stanley Baraka, grade 3. Yeah. Okay. Another one is Grace Mwaka. Please come forward. Grace Mwaka. Yeah, Grace Mwaka. So this one from grade. Are you in grade 3 or 2? Then grade 2. Let's get the Grace Mwaka from grade 3. Grace Mwaka grade 3. We have 2 Graces here.
Okay.
Yeah.
Grace, this is your gift. Look at the camera. Okay. You're welcome.
Okay, let's get Grace Mwaka grade 2.
Okay.
And another one is Samuel Nzaro, grade 2. Another one is Salome Nazi.
You're welcome.
Salome Nazi, grade 2. Grade 1.
Grade 1. Okay.
Okay. Another one is Emmanuel Chibogo, PP1.
Emmanuel is in PP1. Where is
Yeah,
it?
that one. And the other one is Mr. How are you? Mr. Matoli? How are you? Can we give his gift?
Yes, he is our
Mr.
baby.
Matole. Everyone's up with their ugali. Cheka. Endesha ugali Matole. Weke chini uendeshe. Mchukue Matole. Mchukue Matole. Atole anaendesha gari yake. Haya.
Jioni mvishike tupige picha ya mwisho.
Ya, ndo hii. Ndio